What's good, y'all? King Times 2 here, back with another video. Hey, happy New Year's, y'all. We made it to 2025. Hope y'all had really good holiday time. Man, I had 17 days off of work, and we're getting closer and closer to the day I gotta go back, so I'm not really looking forward to that. But hey, you know what I mean? We made it to a new year, new me. Let me know if y'all got some New Year's resolutions. I know people don't like doing that, but man, I got some stuff that I'm really looking forward to in 2025. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. But we just gonna make this short and quick. I wanted to do a video in front of my cologne wall here because it's been a while, so we're just gonna jump right back into it. So I got an unboxing here. Yeah, we just gonna dive right in. So I ordered this package last year. This actually was gonna be my 2024 end of the year video. And the package did arrive yesterday. I should have looked. I completely forgot that I ordered this, but then I looked today and the package was here, it's just sitting there. But yeah, I ordered a few things here. I'm gonna only show you two of the things that I ordered. We got some more soap, Castel Bell. Man, ever since I've been using the bar soap, your boy been getting a lot more clean, and I like it. All right, I'll show y'all. I bought me some Trues. This is my first pair of Trues. Well, this is my second pair of Trues. Somebody gifted me a pair. But the first pair I actually bought for myself. I'm gonna see how those fit in a little bit. But yeah, while we are here, we got another Patek Maison fragrance. This is from the Prisme line, Patek Maison Vert. This is also a blind buy. Shout out to that person on one of my other videos. I'll try to pop it down here. They said that I should try this fragrance because of my other video with the Patek Maison fragrances. That's from the Luminous line. So we got Vert from the Prisme line. We're just gonna dive right into it. Like I said, this is a blind buy. Never smoked this before. I bought this on TJMaxx. 80 bucks. I think online on the website, on the Patek Maison website, they got it listed for like, I think like almost 200. So I think it's like 180 or something like that. But man, I seen it on TJMaxx. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this. And I was looking at it for a while too, and I seen one of the other ones that they had is gone. Yeah, so I'm like, yeah, let me do it. I just had to pull the trigger. But yeah, right away, like, man, this is some nice packaging. The bottle sits nice tucked in there, you know what I mean? It feels nice and secure. That is a metal piece there. And then yeah, the box, it matches the fragrance. Or you know, the box matches the bottle. So yeah, got a little gold rope there. It's a nice little bottle. Kind of reminds me of the Spice Bomb bottle a little bit. Just a tad bit, just by the way it feels in hand. But no, look, so we just gonna hop right into it. They got an intense version of this, and it's got like green rubies around it, or green gemstones around the cap. I don't know, I did a lot of talking. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, I don't smell nothing there. It's not a magnetic cap, but the cap is on there. It snaps on there securely. But yeah, here we go. We are finna experience Patek Maison Prisme Vert. Nice little atomizer. Okay. I did see some reviews on this. People were saying that this smells like some shampoo or something like that. That's like one of the first things I'm getting right there. No, this smells really good though. They do say this is, they did say that this is made after another fragrance. I can't think of what it is. Herbal Pura, I think that's what it was. I did have another fragrance that smelled pretty similar to this. It was actually the Al Haramain, the Amber Oud Gold Edition. Smelled pretty close to this. I think that had a little bit more woody. This is more like airy. You know what I mean? It just feels kind of light and fluffy. I'm curious on the longevity of this and how this one is gonna perform. But yeah, we're just gonna try it on skin. Once again, that atomizer is really nice. I did put some stuff on earlier, but kind of wore off by now. But no, that smells good. That smells real good. You can see it's kind of oily. It's like it's on me. No, that smells fire. Man, as you can see, we running out of room over here. Like, I mean, I do got a couple of spots that I could, you know, rearrange and all that, and probably put some more up top, or I don't know. I'm thinking about either adding 2 at the bottom, 2 more at the top, or I don't know, probably put some in this corner over here. I don't know. Yeah, no. So that's pretty much it. Actually, I'm gonna move this one to the back. Or no, let's rearrange this here. We're gonna put this one in the front, put that one in the back, put that one in the front. Look good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It smells really good. I mean, I don't know. I don't feel too crazy about it off top. It do smell soapy. It do smell really clean. I do think that I could probably get some compliments with this too, because it's different. I mean, it doesn't give off that heavy fragrance type vibe. You know what I mean? Like, just a nice little clean area. I can't really smell it on myself either. But no, it's a nice clean fragrance. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hey, y'all stay tuned because we got tons more videos on the way. I got some ideas that I've been playing with that I'm trying to incorporate into you know what I mean, this whole YouTube journey of mine. But yeah, 2025, we here. Hey, also, we are just under 7,000 subscribers. I started last year with like 12 subscribers, something like that, and here we are with almost 7,000. So I appreciate everybody that's been commenting, everybody that's been sharing my videos, everybody that's been liking and all that. Like, man, thank y'all for the support. It definitely means a lot. It gives me motivation to keep going. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned. We'll catch you guys in the next one. King Times 2, we out. Peace.